If you want to unlink your LinkedIn account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Log into Facebook. Access your Facebook account by entering your credentials on the Facebook website or app. Step 2. Go to Settings. Click on the downward arrow in the top right corner of the Facebook homepage. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Step 3. Navigate to Apps and Websites. In the left-hand menu, find and click on Apps and Websites. This section shows all the applications and websites linked to your Facebook account. Step 4. Find LinkedIn. Scroll through the lists of connected apps and websites until you find LinkedIn. Click on it to view more details about the connection. Step 5. Remove LinkedIn. Once you have selected LinkedIn, click on the Remove button. Confirm your choice when prompted to unlink your LinkedIn account from Facebook. By following these steps, you can successfully unlink your LinkedIn account from Facebook. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out for help.